Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday. It is currently September 23rd at 5:34 a.m. I know it's really early in the morning, but I normally come in early when I am trading Monday through Friday. Now, I know on Friday I told you guys that I was shorting the Disney stock. I ended up shorting it roughly at about $4, $114. uh, because of what happened with the Jimmy Kimball thing over the weekend. There was a lot of protests, a lot of people that were downgrading their subscription from Disney. Disney decided from Disney, Hulu, ESPN, and a few other of their subsidiaries. So a lot of individuals. So Disney started giving them discounts. And then yesterday evening, Disney had announced, well, ABC, which is part of the Disney program, they announced that they were going to be bringing back the show, right? So because it was really affecting their stock. Yesterday, the stock barely moved at all. It stayed roughly at about $112. So because they decided to bring back the Jimmy Kimball show, but some of the other affiliates, they decided that they're still not going to air it. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be keeping an eye on the Disney stock to see what happens with it. But because I shorted it roughly at about $14, and right now at 5:30 in the morning, pre-market is at $113. I may end up getting out of this short. Um, but we're going to keep an eye on it to see what happens. This also could backfire because it could let investors know that Disney has panicked and there was probably a drop in their subscriptions. So a lot of investors can look at this as a big red flag and there can be a sell-off today. It can go either way. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. This over here, from this price over here at about 114, you can notice that there is a lot of resistance here. So it could bounce up to right about here, about 114.72, and then it could possibly drop some more. But what I'm waiting for tomorrow, well, today, is for it to drop below the 1144, which yesterday I mentioned. That is an area of support. If it breaks through this point of 1144, 1139, then we can expect the price to drop all the way down to 105. So we'll see what happens. I'll see if it breaks above this area of resistance or if it breaks below this area of support. And if it breaks below that area of support, then guess what, guys? We are going to be making a lot. Now, for those of you who are interested in learning how to trade, I do have a course on Udemy called Stock Trading Simple Beginner Guide with close to 900 students. So if you're interested in learning how to trade, you can sign up on Udemy for my course.